So what's up? I tell you one thing, I damn sure do not miss this traffic. It is insane and almost pointless. That's what I'm looking forward to. This right here is what I'm looking forward to coming back. I'm heading over PRODIPPER shop to go chop it up with my man Phil, the owner, obviously. So we got some things in plan, so I gotta go look at some colors real quick because we got something planned. Don't worry about it. Just stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna put y'all on yet. I might do it. I might not. When we go there, I don't even know if I'm gonna show you guys the color yet. But man, once again, thank you for tuning into this video. Subscribe if you have not. Go down below, like the video.
Stay in the second lane from right.
And oh, I'm not in the second lane from right. Let me get that going real quick. See, I mean, you can't really open this thing up, man. Ain't nowhere to open up. Car's ready to go, but ain't no way you could, you know.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 15 toward Van Dam Street.
All this power. Nowhere to use it. I ain't gonna lie to that instant torque is where it's at. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when we are at Phil PRODIPPER's spot. If you guys do not know Phil, or if you're not been locked into the channel for that long, he autoflexed my car green, and he autoflexed a lot of other cars that's gotten out there. Iron Giant, he did his SRT, which is now a Trackhawk swap, so it's like he put the Hellcat with the blower motor in the SRT Jeep. I know he did his one cherry red. He also did one of my co-workers M5. He did that, I think it was candy red as well. Nonetheless, we heading over there and we're gonna do some talking. What is that, Urus? What is that? I'm a Yaris. What is that? Oh, Avenza, something like that. Yo, why the plates? Why the license plate say JR14? One of my boys, JR14, is arrived. Like, all right, bro, I got you. His YouTube is JR14, so his plate is like that too on his car, but he had to put YT behind it. So if you wanted JR14 and it was unavailable, I found the guy who has it. So you might want to go get him in the Toyota. Yo, this watch you match him. You think I can match him? Let me see. Let me show him what the M340 could do. Oh, this man crazy. Where we at? Oh, nah, I ain't making that. He gonna have to tow me out. I don't wanna fuck my shit up, but let me get close to him a little bit. Let me climb on the rocks a little, man. Let me get a little fun in there. Climbing, find a little bit. I had to get some of the action. Mine is nothing compared. Look at that, god damn. This is his truck right here, which he did auto flex as well, so you guys can see it. Here it is, a close-up. That's that auto flex. You see the pearl right here on the top. Look at that. I know you can see it. I know you see the little pearl flakes. Thing is nice. Major upgrade. He used to have a BMW. I got a little crazy too, all right? I'm on a little bit of that. I might need to come a little closer to make it look cooler, but here it is, man. Thing is sick. Woo. Yo. Nah, I need to get on the action a little. I need to get it more a little. You know what? I'm gonna hit y'all with the angle to make it look good. The angle to make it look like I did something. Hold on. Boom, right here. Look like boom. Hit him like this. Make it look like we up there. I'm gonna definitely take a thumbnail. Let me run up in there real quick and see my guy Phil. I gotta remember where the spot is. I think it's right here. Hold on. This looks like it's getting ready for something. Ooh. If it's gonna be them caliper colors, it's gonna be sick. Oh, we got some stuff back there. I don't know if he wants y'all to see that back there, but I know he showed that online. That I'm not sure. Definitely not sure. That's gonna be sick. Yo. This right here is gonna be nice. Got a whole bunch of old school nice bodies. Got the blue on blue, man. Woo! And he rocking that. He rocking that European Auto He got something big coming out of there too. You gotta stay tuned. This man crazy. This man crazy. He got something nice coming out of there. Oh, he did his signature little Pro Dipper on the side. You look right here. He did this on his E90 too. So got a little etched in there, Pro Dipper, New York City. You know, you gotta get that brand logo stuff in there. Whew. Come on. Looking too nice. Dang, this shit looking too nice. LEDs, these is money. Those are money. Yeah, this dude killing it out here, man. Sound like an RT with a muffler delete, but I don't know. Yo, right here? All right. I tried to get a little on a little piece of the ice like you over here, man. You crazy.
How you doing, man?
What's good? What's good?
So basically, the color I showed you yesterday, it was like literally maybe 2 coats, light coats over silver.
What we did, yeah.
But it was this color, candy.
Yeah.
So if we, obviously it's completely different from what I sent you, but if we do this color with 2 light coats, nice and even, you'll get the color you want.
Yeah?
Yeah, and that's something no one else has. Like this.
Yeah, nobody don't have that.
Even this one, like you don't see this color.
Yeah, I didn't see that color at all. It's a lot more deep in. Yeah.
This is a candy, so when the sun hits it, forget it. It's nuts.
Yeah, that's gonna look nice over the blue.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna hit nice.
Wish the sun was out.
Yeah, if the sun was out. Cause I wanted to do the
light portion, which is 2 coats, light coats, over the silver. Or unless you want that, which is more saturated. It's up to you.
I don't know. You got the one with the light coats on it, so we can see it, or?
That was it.
Oh, that was it. Yeah.
I kept wetting it out.
I don't know. What do you think? The light coats, or this?
Listen, the light coats is different, and this is different. I mean, it's either way you're gonna kill it.
Yeah.
So,
I want to just tell you, because when you did the 435 green, I remember I was just like, yo, just make whatever green you got, and then next thing you know, bro, the green came out crazy. So
correct. So I mean, if you want, take that for now. See what you think of it. Sleep on it, and I can make another one with lighter coats, and then we'll compare it.
Yeah.
But to be honest with you, if you really wanted to pop,
yeah,
that's the way to go.
So I'm telling you right now, whatever way you want it, do it.
I would say.
So let's go for it then. Let's go for it, because honestly, that shit. You killed the last time with the 435, bro. So when you sent me the picture of the green, all like everything was green with the masking on it, I'm like, oh shit, that's green. Yeah. But when you peeled all the tape off, it was perfect. So I mean, I know you're gonna do it again. You get what I'm saying? So yo, this is gonna be dope. I think I might blur the color out for everybody though before until we do it. Yeah.
You have to.
But yeah, I'm gonna definitely link back up with you. Like when you want to do it.
Thursday, Friday.
Thursday might be better.
All
right, cool.
Thursday.
All right. Oh, this shit is about to be bananas. Yo, it's about to be crazy. So I just got a sample. I'm taking a sample color home. Y'all, let me know what you think, even though I ain't showing you nothing. I ain't showing you nothing yet. You're gonna create the little hypity. You guys gonna see it when I think some people gonna like it and some people gonna hate it. That's straight up right there. So go ahead, do your thing, boy. I'm gonna go down Van Dam so I can head back to the crib. We gonna see. I can't wait, I'm excited. You heard him. Next week, Thursday. Is it this Thursday or next Thursday? What's today? Today is Friday? Oh, today's Friday. So next Thursday, we gonna pull up. I'm gonna drop the car off next Thursday. You heard the man. I'm gonna drop the car off next Thursday. And so that gives me enough time to also throw on the parts from USR, take it to up to Connecticut to get a update, like revision type tune, to get a little bit more power out of it. Then it's gonna come right back here and get the little finishing touches on it. We gonna go out with a bang. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. This video pretty much probably gonna be over because, well, I ain't got nothing else to talk to you guys about. If I do, I turn the camera on and yeah, I think y'all gonna be excited. All right, guys, little short one today, a little short vid, but I'm out of here. Mike from Social